ever see the teenagers, like the teenagers, Carolina, stuff like that, go against like the real NFL people? Go get their ass
The running back would be Marshawn Lynch, and then everybody else. Yeah, it's just running back Marshawn Lynch versus everybody else. That's all I want to see. The most horrible thing I've ever seen is a dude go against Marshawn Lynch, like head to head, like they come, like,
Cam Newton and him.
huh?
Cam Newton and Marshawn Lynch. Did that happen? Cam Newton.
Pretty much. Why are you being mean to that?
I know. I was about to say, hey, y'all quit being mean to that little boy.
Oh my God!
Hey, y'all, give him the ball.
He doesn't even get the game. He's like, what?
Why? They probably put him in the middle.
Oh! Expel! Oh no.
Expose him! Oh!
Hey, bro, you messing with my cousin.
He falls and then he holds
That is not
the
your
ball
cousin.
and then he falls.
That is his cousin. Oh, and it's my cousin too. What you say to your brother, bro?
You didn't hear me.
What? What?
You didn't hear it clearly.
No,
Bro,
don't
get-
fight him here. Fight him down there. Cause if one of y'all fall, it's over.
Fine.
Guys are dead.
No, tell.
If you punch him,
Bang, bang.
he's gonna push you and then you're gonna fall.
Is it recording right now?
You're gonna keep falling.
Yes.
Oh my God, it's so cold.
Recording live. We have the news.
Stop Snapchatting.
Football.
Justin's not even showing me.
Recording live. Shh. We have playing the Saints against the Ball.